how you're feeling with this site kind of finally opening today.
I'm so excited and so proud of all the hard work. Our employees have worked extremely hard to make something that we think is going to be very efficient, very customer focused and patient focused.
And you had the other sites, John Prince Park in South County. There were some issues with people outside. It was hot out. You've got an air-conditioned tent here.
Absolutely. We've got lines inside to try to keep as many people inside out of the elements as possible, if we get backed up. But I think the flow is going to be so smooth that I don't anticipate long lines even inside.
And explain to people, just kind of reiterate, they can't just show up.
No, this is appointment only, and the appointments right now, we're focused on the Department of Health waiting list. So, my hope is that we can move through that fairly quickly and efficiently as vaccine supply dictates, and then get back to, a more open process.
So people really need to hear from you all to know that they're going to have an appointment here.
Yes, they do. In fact, to help figure out exactly what that DOH universe of waiting list people are, we'll be sending out some emails in the next couple of days that people should look for to ask, do you still want to be on this list? Because it's very possible that by now people have gotten a vaccine somewhere else and don't need to be on this list, so we can start moving people a little bit more quickly through the list, again, to get to the more general public over 65.
And so you're starting with about 550 today?
Today we're going to do 550. We want to make sure that our processes flow like we think, that our technology works. But yeah, then we're going to ramp up fairly quickly. I think by Monday we have 2,000 that we're anticipating.
Wow.
A quick jump.
And you guys have the capability of 7,000 here.
We do. We designed it so that we could do, mass vaccination in a centrally located place.
What kind of advantage do you think this will start to give people here in Palm Beach County?
Well, absolutely. In a public health crisis like we're in, at the phase that we're in, it's really important to get the individuals vaccinated as quickly as possible, as many people as possible. And so we're able to do that in an efficient site like this versus, as much as we want to go out into the communities right now and, hit individual pockets, that's really not helping us get to the herd immunity at 70% as quickly as we really need to. There is absolutely a place for that, but it's not yet.
Anything else you want the community to know about this site?
Well, I think they're going to be very impressed. I hope they're very impressed with the whole experience, and I'm very proud of our team for making this happen, and the partnership with Palm Beach County Fire Rescue, who give the shots, and the county for all the infrastructure and logistics, and then the health department for supplying us with the vaccine.
And which vaccine are you giving here? Is it both?
It's both. Today, we're not doing the same, both vaccines on the same day. Today's Moderna. We will do Moderna until Saturday, at which point we'll do Pfizer on Saturday.
Okay, and Monday through Saturday here, is that correct?
Well, our goal is that it's Monday through Saturday and, from 9 to 5, but the last appointment is taken at 4. But of course, that's all vaccine dependent.
And what do people need to bring with them if they, have that appointment?
Certainly proof of birth date, because obviously we're still at 65 and above, and also proof of identity, because this is a medical experience for someone, and we have to validate their identity in order to put them in our medical record.
And can you guys do healthcare personnel also, or are you only doing seniors?
Right now, we are focused on the seniors, but the health department is taking the healthcare workers. So we've kind of split that population because they are still vaccinating at their Lake Worth location.